Yo, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I am going to be showing you today how to get free PS Plus in 2025. You can get a PS Plus membership for completely free using a simple code that I'm going to show you. And when you redeem it in the PSN store, it's going to give you a free 12-month subscription. And PS Plus is pretty expensive. Let's just close that. You can see PS Plus Essential, you can get Premium. Let's just have a look and see how much they actually cost. So you can see a 12-month subscription for PS Plus Premium is around 150 US dollars or 120 Great British pounds. So this is going to save you quite a bit of money, guys, and it literally takes about 5 minutes to do. So I highly recommend you follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this tutorial, and let's get you PS Plus Premium for completely free. So open up the internet on your phone. You have to do this on your mobile phone. It just makes the process easier, and go to cold coupons. So open up the internet, www.coldcoupons.com. Spell it like this, guys. Make sure you do type it correctly to go directly to Cold Coupons. And they have tons of pages on here. As you can see, there's the PS Plus one. But let's just go to the search bar at the top. So if you can't find it when you scroll down, there is a function where it says search here. So tap in there and just type in PS Plus. There we go. So just type PS Plus, guys. Free PS Plus 12 months. As you can see, free PS Plus 12-month membership. So you have to basically click on show full code, and this is going to search, make sure there's a code available. There is tons of them, but it does do a search anyway. And now it says your code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification, and you can see the code is locked. So essentially, guys, you need to unlock your code. This prevents people from stealing all of the codes. So tap on that and you're going to see this code unlocker, and it says complete 2 tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So I have a list of completely free tasks, and I have to complete 2 of them. These are usually things like free mobile games or free surveys. This one is a survey. I'll show you as an example. It says answer questions and fill in valid details. So if you choose a survey, just answer questions and put in your valid email, because it does verify you're a real person. This one is a mobile app. Install, open, and create a free account. So if you choose something like this, you will have to download the app from the App Store and basically just follow the instructions that it says. So if you fully complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your free PS Plus 12 months code will be revealed. So it will say successful and unlocked, and you can grab the code here, redeem it in the PSN store, and that's going to supply you with a free 12-month PS Plus membership, saving you a bunch of money. So yeah, pretty easy. Just go to Cold Coupons and search for PS Plus in the search bar, and pretty easy to find, guys. And yeah, this is highly rated, being used a ton as well. So yeah, it's working in 2025. Enjoy, smash the like button, subscribe. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace.